Welcome, friend. Welcome to today's video, where we'll be comparing Namecheap and Hostinger for web hosting. Let's dive into why Namecheap stands out as the winner. Affordable domain. Registration. Namecheap is well known for its low-cost domain names and free WOS privacy protection. If you're just starting out, this can save you a lot of money. User-friendly interface. The interface is intuitive and beginner-friendly, making it easy to manage your domain, hosting, and emails all in one place. Free domain and SSL certificate. Namecheap often includes free domain registration with hosting plans and provides free SSL certificates for life, adding great value to their packages. Reliable uptime. They guarantee 99.9% uptime, which ensures your website stays live without frequent downtimes. No price hikes on renewal. One of the biggest advantages is that Namecheap's renewal pricing is reasonable, unlike some hosting providers that hike up renewal costs drastically. Excellent customer support. Namecheap has 24/7 customer support that is known for being responsive and helpful, with quick resolution times for most issues. Great for domain management. It's an industry leader in domain management, making it a go-to choice for those managing multiple domains and websites. Free website migration. They offer free website migration services, which means if you're switching from another provider, they'll help you move your site to Namecheap for free. Now talk about Hostinger, compared to Namecheap. Price increases on renewal. Hostinger offers low introductory prices, but renewal costs can be much higher, which might catch you off guard when it's time to renew. No free domain on basic plan. Unlike Namecheap, Hostinger's lower-tier plans do not come with free domain registration. You'll need to upgrade to a higher plan for that perk. Limited free SSL. Hostinger includes a free SSL certificate, but only on certain plans. With Namecheap, SSL is free for life, regardless of the plan. Inconsistent customer support. While Hostinger's customer support is improving, Namecheap's support is generally rated higher for being more consistent and quicker in resolving issues. No WOS protection. With domain. If you're registering a domain with Hostinger, WOS privacy is not included for free, while Namecheap offers it for free with every domain. Conclusion. When it comes to hosting, Namecheap wins this round for its affordable pricing, free SSL, better domain management options, and fair renewal prices. Hostinger is still a great service, but falls short on renewals and some freebies that Namecheap consistently offers. That's it for today's comparison. Let me know in the comments which host you're going with, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.